Here we are doing teatrees. Who we got here? Orlando, what are you doing?
Pulling out teatrees.
How come you're pulling them out, bro?
Spreading diabetes.
They're breeding too fast.
Yeah.
How many have you pulled out today?
65.
65. Who's that? It's over here. Thurston. How you going, Thurston?
Good.
We got Trent here. How many you pulled out, Trent?
58.
58.
Yeah.
Catching up to Orlando. Who's that over there? Tian. Hey, how many are you going, Tian?
53.
63. And that's
50.
53. And there's David over there.
We got 12, I think. How'd you got David? Just now, probably about 30.
30. I've got 175.
Joking, you're lying. From the last 10 years too there.
200.
Yep.
Well done.
Okay, Virginia, can you share with us what you are doing today in hospitality class?
We are doing pancakes.
How do you make pancakes?
We put flour in there and we get oil, put it, and we get 2 eggs and sugar, little bit of vinegar and milk, and we go over there. Come over here and fry it up. We're gonna turn them when we see bubbles.
Oh, great. Oh, that looks beautiful, Virginia. So how are you going to tell that they are now ready, they are cooked?
Because when you see them, they bubbles up. Yeah.
Okay.
That's when you know.
Okay.
Hi, good morning. This is a staff interview, and we've got right beside us now is
Leon. Yes, my name is Leon Cox. I'm from up in Kimberley. My language group is good, Andy, and love being down at Wongutha here. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. What is your job here at Wongutha?
Down at Wongutha, I started off as the groundsman, just looking after the grounds. Then, moved on to a bit of maintenance at the working around the hostel. But ground/maintenance.
Most people here have got a bit of a hobby or something they like to do when they're relaxing. What's yours?
My hobby is fishing. Love fishing. Love playing music. Two best ones.
Talking about music, rumour has it you may have been in a band. What was the name of your band?
Yes, indeed. My band was called Walkabout Boys, and started up in the Kimberley, and I still didn't stop walking. So yeah.
Oh, it's good that you finally walked down here too. Okay, thank you very much.
Right, Shaylin, what are you doing?
Moving the tree and a burn mark.
Burn part.
Burn part.
Yep. It's all good. Who's going to tell me what's going on?
Well, this is the construction crew, as you can see. We're working on Hank's property.
G'day to all you new students at Wongutha CAPS. My name's Theo. Can I tell you a story about fear and faith? One night when Jesus' mates were in a boat trying to get across a big lake in a storm, they saw something coming towards them walking on the water. They were terrified because they didn't know what it was. "It's a ghost," they said. They screamed with fear. Jesus spoke to them at once. "Courage," he said. "It's me. Don't be afraid." Then Peter spoke up. "Lord, if it's really you, order me to come out on the water to you." "Come out," said Jesus. So Peter got out of the boat and started walking on the water to Jesus. But when he noticed the strong wind, he was afraid and he started to sink down into the water. "Save me, Lord," he cried. At once Jesus reached out and grabbed hold of him and said, "What little faith you have! Why did you doubt?" They both got into the boat and the wind died down. Let's think about what happened to Peter when Jesus arrived at the boat in the middle of the storm walking on the water. Peter was keen to experience what it was like to walk on the water, and he was going okay until he took his eyes off Jesus to look at the storm. It was then that he began to sink. Like Peter, when we try something new that seems to be really hard, fear gets into us sometimes and we fail. New places, new friends, feeling homesick, being afraid of failing can be pretty scary. How can I do the new stuff that I've never tried before? Jesus says, "Keep your eyes fixed on me. Believe that you can succeed and I'll be there to catch you if you start to fall." You might think that it's too hard or too scary, but faith gives you the power to do things you thought you never could. So get out of the boat and try.